Psalm 21. The King's Victory. Lord, the King finds joy in your strength. How greatly he rejoices in your victory. You have given him his heart desired, and have not denied the request of his lips. For you meet him with rich blessings. You place a crown of pure gold on his head. He asked you for life, and you gave it to him, length of days forever and ever. His glory is great through your victory. You confer majesty and splendor on him. You gave him blessings forever. You cheer him with joy in your presence. For the King relies on the Lord. Through the faithful love of the Most High, he is not shaken. Your hand will capture all your enemies. Your right hand will seize those who hate you. You will make them burn like a fiery furnace when you appear. The Lord will engulf them in his wrath. The fire will devour them. You will wipe their progeny from the earth, and their offsprings from the human race. Though they intend to harm you and devise a wicked plan, but will not prevail. Instead, you will put them to flight when you ready your bowstrings to shoot at them. Be exalted, Lord, in your strength. We will sing and praise your might. Amen.